Earth healing. Welcome to Starbridge and a small video series. This time I will talk a little bit about earth healing. There is around 7 billion people on this planet, and there's limited resources. What is possible to do when you are 1, 2 or 3 billion is not possible when you're 7. At the moment there is resource and political problems almost everywhere. What can you do about it? More than you think. Numerous sciences teach us how things are interconnected. Everything connects in a chain of cause and effect. So also the humans. So many of our thoughts are actually not our thoughts, but are borrowed from news, from neighbors, from church group, from the mosque, are bought from people we look up to. What a change it would make if our opinions came from our own integrity and not just from borrowed stuff. So, if you want to change the earth, the globe, if you want to change the fate of mankind, change you. Number 1 is integrity. You are your authority. Obviously you have to cut the consequences of breaking laws and all that. So there is 2 sets of laws, society's laws and the laws of how things work. In some areas they are similar, in some areas they are not. A good way of starting to make a difference, to be part of the healing, is for you to start looking at someone you don't like. What does this person tell you about you? A little bit of theory. This is called the law of projection. Whatever is subconscious within us, we project. So, quite simply, you can intellectually disagree, and that's fair enough. There's a lot of areas where there's not one opinion that is true. I mean, can you be saved by Christ alone? Can you be saved by Buddha, by Muhammad, by all sorts of other enlightened beings? And yes, of course you can. There's not one opinion that is right, another that is wrong. Whether you are right in your choice, well, have a look. Are you saved? Are you living in compassion for mankind? Or are you still steeped in emotions and black and white thinking? Anyway, choose someone you don't like. Visualize him or her in front of you. What exactly is it you don't like? Be specific, not generalized. What specifically don't you like? Now the next provoking question is, not if there is something, but what is it inside you that are exactly similar to what you see? It may be that what the other person do outwardly, you do inwardly to you. But the other person that you don't like, the reason why you don't like, and not just disagree, but don't like, is that this person has the audacity of mirroring aspects of you you don't like. The task is now, find what it is inside you that this person mirrors. When you have found that, simply witness this, feet on the floor. If more work is required, our Path of Dharma series may help, and maybe especially repentment. So have in mind whatever aspect of you that you have just been shown, and then alternate between thinking of that and looking at repentment, while you inwardly pray, "Oh God, it's in your hand, if what I did was good or bad." Because one of our big problems is our readiness to judge ourselves and others. Maybe we should leave that judgment to the divine and train compassion here instead.